I don't know, is it a top model or what, but ooh. Let's see how close can we get. Drive, and one more thing, drive carefully guys. This is my baby. I know her. Definitely he's going over 150, I think, because I am going 140. I'm going close to 140. I'm actually 142. Which lane? Oh my god. He's really fast. Alright, let's go. 150. Do we have, yeah, we have a one lane option here. Oh, we both fall in same lane. Oh my god. There is no race line. Wow. There's no doubt this I20 can actually compete creta. I mean, isko thoda change kar do na, you will get a creta out of it. And my EcoSport and me, I'm trying so hard. Come on guys, come on. 150. Okay, he's gonna take the left lane. That's the only option he has. I'm gonna try middle one. Alright, 160. Oh no, I don't have any options. I have to follow him. I don't know kya hai, but extremely good here. Nice. I don't know, it's a diesel or it's a turbo going on. What is I know it's. I'm trying my best. Come on, Eco, let's do it. It's a very high speed chase. It's going over 150 all the time. Come on, Eco. Come on. Alright. Lane option, left lane. Alright, we did it. Slow down. It's really very high speed chase. Alright, so we crossed over like 150 or something, I don't know. Whew. That was nice and thrilling. Again, drive carefully. If you don't know how to tackle in high speed, don't drive. This is my baby. My baby. Alright. It's time to slow down. You have to slow it down. Alright guys. See you in the next video.